Hello everyone, welcome to this course on Meta Ads Andromeda Update Explained. How Facebook ads really work 2026. If you are running Facebook or Instagram ads or planning to, you have probably heard one word repeatedly, Andromeda. Some marketers say Andromeda is a new algorithm, it's Meta AI, or someone says JAME, it's lattice, it's sequence learning. After watching a few videos, most people feel more confused, not smarter. Imagine five marketers auditing on an account. One talks only about creatives, one talks only about retargeting, one talks only about the budget. You are thinking, do I have five different problems? But actually, it is all system, one account. That's exactly what happens with Andromeda. So today, no hype, no fear, no only clarity. By end of this course, you will understand how meta ads actually work. Why do ads behave differently for different users? Why one ad never scales forever? How meta learns and optimizes. Let's begin.